Welcome back, fellow rebels, to our channel. It's been a little while since we've uploaded a video. I think it's been more than 50 days. But Shane's been working 6 days a week, and I've just been helping my dad take care of my mom, and so we've both been really kind of busy. But today is a beautiful day here in the beginning of November, and we decided that we'd just take a little drive. We're on Highway 65 North, and we don't know where we're going. We're going to end up, we're just driving north, and we stopped here at this overlook, and it is just beautiful. We got Snickers here. She's chomping at the bit to get out and sniff something. Well, if anybody's interested here, you got 1.75 acre overlook. They're only asking 1.1 million. No big deal.
Yeah, but if you could put a hotel or some kind of a big place right here.
Yeah, this is beautiful. We are up in the Ozarks. A lot of people don't know that the Ozarks are also in Arkansas. And you can start telling that by these big cliffs. These big cliffs up here. The Ozarks and close to the Buffalo National River here in Arkansas. You'll see those cliffs all over the place like that. It's so pretty. You couldn't ask for a prettier day. It's beautiful out here today. Low 70s. And the sky is just so blue and white puffy clouds. We just wanted to take a drive and see the fall colors. I think we might have missed it, the peak season, by a week, but there's still some beautiful trees and leaves that we've seen, so hope you enjoy that scenery as well. One of our last videos, that's where we went, was the Grinders Ferry. So if you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. So it's time for a story. We're in the little town of St. Joe here on Highway 65 North, and I remember when I was in grade school. I don't know exactly how old I was. Maybe third, fourth grade. I'm not really sure. But my parents and my sister and I were on a little trip, and we were driving up 65 North, and we came through St. Joe. And I don't think it's here anymore, but there used to be, on the side of the road, used to be a place where you could pull over and have a picnic. They had picnic tables, and I think some of them might have been covered, I don't know. But anyway, so my mother had packed some lunch, so we stopped at this roadside picnic area and had a picnic. And while we were there, this was back when Pringles had the metal aluminum pop tops. They're not like they are now, but so I sliced my finger open trying to open one of these cans of Pringles. And I remember that. So I guess Mom, I think Mom found a Band-Aid or something in the car, so I got that taken care of. But while we were there, I stepped in dog poop and didn't know it until we got back in the car, and everybody was going, "What is that smell?" And then everybody started checking their feet, and of course it was me. I'd stepped in dog poop. And you have to know my dad, but he is a fanatic with keeping his cars clean. We were never allowed to drink or eat in a car, ever. You couldn't get anything in the car that was going to be sticky or anything like that. So for me to have dog poop on the bottom of my shoe was just like the last thing ever that my dad wanted in the car. So he pulled over at this car wash and made me take my shoes off and proceeded to wash my shoes off at the car wash. I was so embarrassed. I remember being just so embarrassed. And then finally, I don't remember where we were going, but we were going somewhere to stay in some cabins. And so that night we were staying in these cabins, and there was this cricket in the cabin, and it would not shut up. And my sister and I were sleeping, we were sharing a bed, and this bed, the cricket was right behind the headboard, and so it was just chirping all night, and it was just driving us crazy, and we could not get this, we couldn't find it. So we woke Mom and Dad up like at 2 o'clock in the morning, and we're all on the hands and knees on the floor trying to figure out where this stupid cricket is and where it's coming from so we can catch it and throw it outside. And then I remember we went to go outside, and the doorknob came off the door in the cabin. So then my dad had to try to fix the doorknob. We couldn't get out. And I think we did eventually find that stupid cricket, and Dad caught it and took it outside. But I just remember that's just one of a story that I remember growing up as a kid on our little mini vacation that we took. That was just one thing after another that happened on that vacation. But we still talk about that trip to this day. Anytime somebody mentions St. Joe, we think, oh yeah, we remember St. Joe. If y'all have a funny story of something that happened on a family trip or a vacation that you took, put it down in the comments and let us know. I'd really like to read that. We're here in Hollister, Missouri to get something to eat here. Look at this cute little area. It's like we've stepped out into a Swiss Alps town or something. Wow, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. We're coming here to the Sweet Shack diner for lunch. Shane got the smash melt. Ooh, that looks good. And some fries. I just got a hot dog and some fries. I love hot dogs. We ate lunch at the Sweet Shack Diner here in Hollister, Missouri, and it was really good. I looked online before we went in there to see, you know, the reviews, and it had 5 stars out of 165 reviews, so I thought, well, it can't be too bad, and it was really good. Those fries, I don't know what the seasoning they use on. They use some sort of smoked paprika on there, and it was so good. Where are we walking? I don't know where we're walking here. But anyway, and their hot dog was really good. I love hot dogs. I am a hot dog fanatic. I ate way too many carbs though. Since our 100-hour fast. If you've not watched that video, Shannon and I did a 100-hour fast a couple months back, and I lost 9 pounds, and after the fast was over, I just went to a keto diet, and I've lost a total of 22 pounds now. And so I'm trying to not eat any carbs, and I've not had any sugar, which is very difficult for me because I have a sweet tooth like you wouldn't believe. But anyway, so I did eat the fries and the hot dog bun. I shouldn't have had, but I did. That's okay. But look at this cute little town. Look at this cute little town. It's so cute. Oh, the historic train ride through here? Maybe they already got their Christmas tree. It's not even Thanksgiving yet, people. Are you one of those people that... Oh, somebody lost their earbuds. Oh, those are expensive too. Earbuds. There's a pair of earbuds here. Knocked off the tree. I don't know, but there's 2 of them right there. Oh. Well, somebody's gonna be looking for their earbuds. I don't know what they cost. I don't think they're cheap. But anyway, what was I talking about? I don't even know. But this is just so cute. Oh, there's a spider that just landed on me. Well, hello, Mr. Spider. Okay, well, knock him off. Trespassing upon the tracks, bridges, and right-of-way is positively forbidden. Oh, well, give Shane a ticket. He was walking on the tracks. I call that, although that track he was walking on doesn't go anywhere. Oh, I know what I was saying. I was asking is, I mean, okay, so I'm the kind of person who I don't want to see Christmas stuff until after Thanksgiving. People put Christmas stuff up before Halloween, and that just irks me to no end. Let's let one holiday get over with before we start, you know, trying to celebrate another one. Yeah, I don't want to hear Christmas music till at least after Thanksgiving dinner. There's the Ye Old English Inn. Look at that, it's so cute. So cute. I think we're gonna go drive over to a really cool mural and get a picture, and then we might go to another scenic overlook, and then we're probably gonna just gonna head back home. It starts getting dark early this time of year, and we don't really like driving after dark if we can help it. We're old. I just love this little town. Oh, we got Sandy. Oh.
She acts tough, but she's screaming.
Sandy's a good dog too.
Oh, hello, Sandy.
Cindy.
Oh, Cindy, you're being a good girl. Here is historic downtown Branson. You got your lavender building there. Yeah, we're not going up there. There's the Branson Scenic Railway. I guess if you want to take a scenic drive, you can hop on the train and take it. Well, we looked for that mural right there at the intersection where it was supposed to be, and we couldn't find it, so oh well. There's an overlook that we're gonna go look at, and then I guess we'll probably just go home after that. Yeah, we have a 3-hour drive back home, and we really don't like to be out after dark if we don't have to. We're old people, you know, we don't like to be out after dark. And this time of year it gets dark early, so. This is Lake Taneycomo. And there's that RV park right there. It's very convenient if you're wanting to stay in Branson or close to Branson. Yeah, this is Lake Taneycomo, and there's more RV spots here on both sides. It's a beautiful view of the city.
See the dam over there?
Yeah. Yeah, there's the dam right there. Table Rock Lake and the dam. I'm going to show them the sign that says no padlocks on the thing.
Not put padlocks on the fence. They didn't say you couldn't put it on the sign, no. I didn't do that. Somebody else did.
Thanks for joining us on our trip today, guys. And stick around for next time. Subscribe if you want to. Give us a thumbs up. And until next time, there's Snickers.
Snickers said live in the sunshine.
Yeah, Snickers is telling you to live in the sunshine. Bye, guys.